Welcome to EasyLearn. In this video, we are going to see full adder using 3:8 decoder. So first, we are going for the truth table for full adder. Consider the inputs as X, Y, and Z. And here the outputs are sum and carry. Here all the possible input combinations are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So for all the inputs are 0, sum is equal to 0, carry also 0. For 0 plus 0 plus 1, it's equal to sum is 1, carry 0. Here also 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, sum 1, carry 0. Here 1 plus 1, which is equivalent to 2, which is nothing but sum is 0, carry 1. Here also sum 1, carry 0. Here sum 0, carry 1. Sum 0, carry 1. Here sum 1, carry also 1. Now we can go for the implementation. So for sum, these input combination we are getting the sum is equal to 1. Likewise for carry, these input combination we are getting the carry is equal to 1. Okay, so now we are going to implement the same using 3x8 decoder. That means we are giving this X, Y, Z as input. Here inputs 0, 1 and 2. Likewise outputs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here for sum, here the equivalent is 1. Okay, so here it's equivalent 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so for sum, here we are having 1. So respective input equivalent is 1. Okay, therefore at the decoder, first output we need to take. Then likewise here we are having 1. Respective input equivalent is 2. Therefore we need to take from D2. We need to take output from 2. Then here we are having 1. Respective input equivalent is 4. So from here. Then finally here we are having 1. Respective input equivalent is 7. So between these inputs we need to take the OR operation. So first input, here the equivalent is sum. So likewise for carry, here we are having 1. Respective input is equivalent to 3. So from 3 we need to take the output. Then we are having the value equivalent to 5, then 6, then 7. These places we are having the output as 1. Therefore here we are having 5. Here it's 6. And finally here it's 7. Okay, so here also we need to go for an OR operation. So here it's equivalent to carry C. So here we are giving the inputs. Here the X is most significant, that means which has the higher weight. Therefore here it's X, Y and Z. Okay, so now we will check the condition. So for example, these condition 4, 5 and 7. So for 4 the input equivalent is 1 0 0. So if I give 1 0 0 means here what happen is which is equivalent to 4. Therefore this decoder output 4 will be equal to 1, remaining all the values are 0. Okay, so that 1 is connected to an OR gate, therefore the sum is equal to 1. Okay, so here we will get the output as 1, but carry here we will get the output as 0. Likewise for the second condition 5 1 0 1, if you apply the input as 1 0 1 means here which will select the output 5. The output of decoder 5 is equal to 1, remaining all the output values are 0. Therefore that is connected to carry. Therefore here the carry value will be equal to 1 and some value will be equal to 0. Then for the last condition 1 1 1, if I give all the inputs as 1 means which will select, that means the output 7 will be equal to 1, all the other outputs are equal to 0. That is connected to carry as well as sum OR gate. Therefore both sum and carry is equal to 1. Therefore in this way we can use 3x8 decoder as a full adder.